For long and thick hair, you need a natural shampoo that nourishes your hair deeply and boosts growth. Do you know, Yao women from an ancient Chinese village of Huangluo are known for their long and shiny hair? These women have hair as long as 1.4 meters or more and have also made it to the Guinness Book of Records for the same. These women have the longest hair in the world. Well, if you are thinking what's the secret to their healthy and long hair, then let us tell you, that it is rice water. Yes, women in this village have been using rice water to wash their hair for years now. Rice water has some amazing benefits for your hair. Today's video will discuss how to make rice water shampoo for long and thick hair. Rice water shampoo. You will need 1 cup rice, 4 to 5 tablespoons shampoo, water as required. Directions. Take a cup of rice and wash it under running water. Make sure you don't wash it for too long as it can make the rice lose all its nutrients. In a bowl, add washed rice and clean water. Soak for an hour. Strain the rice water and add 4 to 5 tablespoons shampoo to the bowl. Keep it for 3 to 4 hours. Soon, you will see the mixture turn soapy. Rice water shampoo is ready. How to use rice water shampoo. Whenever you feel like washing your hair, use this shampoo all over your scalp and hair. You can use plain rice water to cleanse the hair for better results. This shampoo can be used twice or thrice a week. This rice water shampoo is completely natural and may give different results as per your hair type. If it doesn't suit your hair and leads to any hair problems, you should stop using the shampoo immediately. If this shampoo works for your hair, do share the results with us. This rice water shampoo can be prepared using a few ingredients which are natural and chemical free. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.